In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if your HostGator plan supports Varnish caching and then walk you through setting it up for optimal performance on your website. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to determine if your HostGator hosting plan includes the option for Varnish caching. Varnish is a powerful web application accelerator, often called a caching HTTP reverse proxy. It can dramatically boost your website's speed and overall user experience by storing copies of your web pages in memory to reduce load times. Unfortunately, not all hosting plans offer this feature, so that's our first checkpoint. Start by logging into your HostGator cPanel account. If you're not familiar with cPanel, it's the web-based interface that makes managing your web hosting accounts much simpler. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll need to navigate over to the caching or performance section. This location can vary slightly depending on your specific hosting plan, but it's typically found under the main dashboard menu or sometimes within a section labeled Software or Advanced. Take your time to explore these areas. If your plan does support Varnish Cache, you'll find an option here to enable it. This step is crucial, as enabling Varnish allows your website to start reaping the benefits of reduced load times almost immediately. To turn it on, you simply need to click the Enable button or toggle that's presented. This action is typically straightforward, but if any issues arise, HostGator's support documentation or customer service could be valuable resources for troubleshooting. After you've enabled Varnish Cache, the next step is configuring the cache rules for your website. This step involves determining how Varnish will interact with your site. You can set rules regarding which web pages get cached and for how long. Perhaps there are specific pages you want to cache more aggressively due to high traffic, like your homepage or product categories. Conversely, there might be sections, such as the checkout page, where caching is less desirable because it could interfere with real-time data exchange. Take some time to think through your caching strategy based on your site's traffic patterns and user needs. Finally, you'll want to verify the impact on your website's speed. Testing these changes is relatively straightforward. There are numerous online tools, such as Google PageSpeed Insights or GTmetrix, that can provide a before and after comparison of your website's performance. After running the tests, you should notice a marked improvement in load times and overall responsiveness. And there you have it, a comprehensive, step-by-step guide to checking and enabling Varnish caching on your HostGator plan. By following these steps, you should see a boost in site performance, enhancing the overall experience